Mustang coupe. I was just about to do a video and Amanda's like, we're not on now, right? And I was like, you're right. And she's like, you just keep going. I'm like, yeah. It was kind of it's kind of a hypomanic state, bipolar 1, but that's a whole other thing. Go to Isolation Kills channel and you'll figure out kind of my personality a little bit. But I'm better now. Okay, so Steve Saline, we gave you your video love in that last video. And now it's only appropriate to talk about the ROUSH. Am I pronouncing it correctly? ROUSH? This ROUSH, can you tell me, Amanda, what year it is and like mileage on it?
It is a 2010. It's got 7,000 miles on it.
2010, just say it a little louder.
It's a 2010 ROUSH. It's got 7,000 miles on it and it's a 5-speed.
That's a fun car, in my opinion. What's it selling for right now? What's the asking price?
Its asking price is $40,000.
Okay, $40,000. Let's take a look at this. I'm assuming gently used, pre-owned.
Yes.
We'll do it like Mercedes. This pre-owned ROUSH, check it out. Amanda's already telling me she knows stuff. I'm like, Amanda, we got to do this. And she's like, I know. Man, these youngsters are telling you. Oh, he's got some slicks on there, doesn't he? Mm-hmm. Wow. And here it is, a very clean black and silver ROUSH. I don't know what custom work they do on the dash.
I have no idea, to be honest.
We don't know
but
this.
I know it lights up purple in there.
He's got purple lighting going on in here. And I'm sorry I don't have more information about this, but I do think it's important to show you the car because it's here. And if you've been looking for a very clean ROUSH, who knows? Maybe this is the car you want. But she's clean. I see no imperfections on the paint.
Very high-raced car.
It's a what?
High-raced car.
High-raced car?
Yeah, the engine records at 11.8 seconds. Elapsed time is 120
11.8 seconds in the quarter mile?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Very fast.
Yeah, this car is fast. There's me in the paint again. You can see this paint is very nice. A little flat highlight.
4.6 liter with a 3-valve engine. So that's pretty wicked.
Do you mind opening the hood for us?
I don't mind. I would have to come all the way around.
Okay, just gotta pop the hood. We'll take a peek in there. And there goes the hood. And here comes the engine compartment. Dun, dun, dun. You're like Vanna White sometimes, you know that?
I at least try to be.
Yeah. Wouldn't it be nice to have her money and the career that she's had just standing in front of lights? Sorry, Vanna, I didn't mean to play down your importance on your job.
It's very clean underneath.
Yeah, it's clean. Wow. What the heck is a radiator? The radiator's...